Hey you guys, just walked into 99-cent store. Look at this giant bag of Terra real vegetable chips in sweet potato, and this is a 16.5 ounce bag, so that's not bad at all. They still have the 22-inch carry-on luggage for $14.99. I see that pretty green, gray, and black. I'm over here in the Easter section. I have never seen Mighty Malt's strawberry malted milk eggs. They look interesting, but I don't need them. But these look really, really good. Laffy Taffy flavored jelly beans. I want to get them, but I don't need them. Here they still got these pretty lanterns. How much were these? These were $7.99. They got all the pretty color bins right here, the daisy bins, purple, yellow, pink. I love this color right here. And they have this, well, this is the same as that one, so those are really pretty. Look at these bowls. I like those, but this one is really cute. The carrots all over it. Okay, these are so cute. Look at this. Look at that. They got the little trees on it, decorated for Easter. These are $1.99. And they got a bunch of them. The only difference that I see is some is pink right here and then some are green. Still got the pretty bunnies that look like glass, but they're actually plastic. I have one of the gold ones. Oh, I didn't see these last time. These are cute. Look at that. Some string lights. And these are only 99-cent. Tempted to get these, but I don't need them, but they're really cute. And then down here they still got these cute little sequin bunny heads in pink, and they also have blue. These, are they 99? No, these were $1.99. Over here in their spring section, they always have the cutest little succulent pots. This is $1.99. Looks like that, kind of slanted. I bought these I think last year like this, but it looks like they put a different color succulent on the top. Uh-oh, let me pick that up. And then these, I've never seen these before. That's pretty. I like the jar. That one doesn't have a price on it. Let me see. And they're two different kind of blues. This one looks more turquoise and this one looks like a darker blue. And these are $2.99. Oh, look at this one. That's cute. This is $2.99 for that. I like that because of the gold. Oh, isn't he adorable? Oh, I might have to get this. And it's only 99-cent. Because if it wasn't, it would say it down here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this. This will be a cute little succulent pot, or you can use it for pins or whatever you want. Some cute already made wreaths right here. That one looks like it has lavender on it down there. And then you have these right here. Oh, look at these little gnomes. Resin gnome decoration. Cute little gnomes. Different ones. And they are 99-cent for those. And then they have little stakes as well. Like that. Some more little birds and owls. Here they got some more fairy houses right here. Cute little mushrooms. These are cute. Oh, I like this one. Look at that. I like the jewels on that one, and then they also have pink. Look at his face. These are $1.99. It just says animal figures, so I see the dog, the rabbit, and I see a pig back there. And then what are these right here for $1.99? Hanging decor. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little bunny asleep in a leaf. And then they, oh, whoa. And then they have a frog. He's just chilling with his little shorts on. And then there's also a gnome laying there asleep too. Those are cute. Look at these wood lanterns. Looks like this. And it comes with the glass down there for you to put the candle in. And these are $2.99. Oh, okay, so over here they have more of the little dog, but they also have this, I believe. I want to say this is a llama. I'm not too sure. but it is cute. I'm definitely getting one of these. They still have the owls. I have one of these from last year, but I see purple, green, and white, and these are 99¢. These little bowls are ceramic pot in rose gold, regular gold, and silver. Look at these cute little pots. Mini animal pot. There's an elephant, a blue elephant I should say. There's a gray one. You have this cute little character. Oh, this is so cute. Cute little fox, an owl, a purple owl, and a green owl. Okay, they brought these back. They have the snail pots in blue, green, and white. They also have frogs and all of those. I have one of these in the honeycomb pattern, and I use it to hold my brushes. And then look at this, a ceramic hanging planter pot for $2.99. That's really, really pretty. And then they got these giant pots down here for $7.99, and you get a set of 2. What I didn't notice is that this one, they come in 2 different colors, so it's either gold and black or white and gold. How cool is that? And they also got some cute little tumblers. Look at that. That one, this design. This one has butterflies all over it. Those are pretty. And they got monogram cups. Look at that. With the flowers for the letters. I see K, L, and S. Oh, and I see a J. They probably have more, but they sold. I see an A back there. But yeah. So it looks like they're putting up a new product on the end cap over there. I want to see. But for now, in this basket, they have these. It says cat eyes, perfect brow lash, stencil, and grooming kit. And these are $1.99. It looks like that. It looks like that's all that's in here. I have to get over there and see what they're hanging up. And they also have these right here. So it's a perfect lash brow set. That's kind of cool. And that is $1.99. Oh, look, they also have these. I'm asking, can I go in the box? So they let me pull out certain things. They have these, $1.99. That's not bad. Look at the one right here. It says social media, power lash, spring fling. And then let me see what this is. Look at this, complete eyebrow kit. Cat line. Oh, okay. So that one is for your eyeliner. And then this is down here with some eyelashes and that like stencil type thing. Look at that. Okay. That's kind of cool. And then here's some cute house shoes right here for $2.99. You got the pink, and then I also see purple with the little hearts. Okay, I'm over by the kids stuff right now, and this is called a cloud pet, a message you can hug, and these are $4.99, but it says only at Walmart, and so that's pretty cool. I remember seeing this like on a commercial, but yeah. Oh, there's another one over here. It's a little cat. Okay, you guys, so today I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw these same bowls, the soup bowls. They are there for 99¢ or $1. They're $2 here, just in case you're looking for those. But they do have more colors here. Oh, this is cute. Dream big little one, and it has the little hangers for their jacket. Should I get this? $3.99. Should I get this for Pooh Bear? I don't know. Do I want that? And then they have one that says chase your dreams. I think I'll get this one. Oh, look at this. They got a Darda travel ready massage neck wrap. That's a nice little pillow for $5.99. It says soothing vibration, portable and convenient, and battery operated. So I see this pretty pink, this green color, and then I see like a royal blue. That's not too bad. They got abdominal muscle fitness wheels for $3.99, and it looks like this. Nice size too. They keep all of their sequin stuff back here, so all the heart pillows, these with the ice creams on them are still here. And then they still have some of these pineapples, as well as the mermaid sequins tail throw. And they have that in blue and that green color. Okay, look at this set of erasers. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, $2.99. And you get all of that, the little cactus, the lipsticks. This is cute, the little speaker box and the coffee. I love that. And then next to it I see some food, some donuts. Okay, my daughter, she really likes these right here. These are the ones that come like this, and you can cut them down to share with your friends. So you have, if I can show you, you have a candy, a cupcake, 2 cupcakes, and a strawberry. And you can cut them down to whatever size you like. Here's some more erasers right here. The little hat, purse, shoes. I've never seen an eraser that looks like a cell phone. Definitely fun. Unicorns. And some of these. How cute are these back clips? A little unicorn. And I also see this one right here. I think I'll get this one. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm over here by the food now. I'm just gonna go over here and see what's in the refrigerator. I like to come and see if they have this tea that I like, which sells out super fast. They don't, but they still have the Starbucks cold brew coffee, which is not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.